everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Flamingo. I'm Jay, and today I have a crafty haul for you. It's a Hobby Lobby clearance haul, and this is a really big haul. I'm actually going to break it up into different videos, so if you want to see everything I got, just come back and check back. With that said, let's just get into this haul because it's a good one. The thing I'm going to start with is this planner, and it was $8.74, and it's a happy planner. It's a happy planner, and it's an 18-month happy planner, and it's their wellness layout. And I grabbed this to, just add with the planner that I have. Before I get into it, let me just say hi to all my crafty friends. If you are watching, let me know in the comments, how have you been? I am so excited to be back. But yeah, let me know how you've been and if you're doing okay. And even if you're a new crafty friend, let me know in the comments too how you're doing. Let's just, have a little conversation about that. But like I said, I'm back now. I had a lot of moving going on. I moved twice in a short amount of time. And that's a lot when you're moving that much and you're trying to craft and set up. It's just too much. So I'm in a consistent place now. So yeah, back to filming. But anyway, let's get back into this haul. This is my a planner I picked up, $8.74. A wellness planner. Gonna last me from now until all the way to the end of next year. And I got it because of I like to it's going to help me tracking my fitness journey and things like that. So it says intention, nourish, movement, and take note. So I think I'll enjoy that. And this is just what some of the monthly inserts look like. But so very calming, very zen, all those good things. But like I said, this is not going to be my oh, it even says fall in love with taking care of your body. That's a really good quote. But this won't be my everyday planner. But enough about this planner. Let's move on to the rest of the haul. Next, I have some clay. And I saw some people, they had rolls of clay on clearance. But my store just didn't have that many left. Or, yeah, just probably not that many left. So I got this really pretty, I was able to get this purple wine color. It says wine. That's the color of it. And this ended up being 37 cents. But it was originally $1.49, which isn't too bad. So I've never used Crafter's Collection brand of clay. I'm not sure how that works, but it feels pretty good. The next one is the same brand, Crafter's Collection, and it was $1.49, and I got it for 37 cents. And this color it just says green. Sometimes they have fancy names, but this just says green. I don't know why I keep doing this, y'all, squishing the clay like this. And the last one I was able to get, now I've worked with Fimo clay before, and this was 82 cents, and it was originally $2.99. And this is like a neon orange color. So I was able to get these. So this was a clearance sale that they had a few weeks ago. I just had it for a while, and I was finally able to get everything unpacked and share my haul with you. Still have some of it in the store, but I'm not sure. I think by now it's all been picked up. But anyway, there's glitter on everything because something I got had glitter, and it's just all over everything, which is fine. I like glitter. So next I have these cute little embellishments, and these were 99 cents, and they're originally $3.99, but they're poinsettias. They're little buttons, little poinsettia buttons. And I wouldn't think that this would be on sale now because it seems like, for Christmas you could use it, but either way, like I said, why complain about it? Because that means you get it on a good deal. But I definitely will be using this recently in my Christmas crafting. They're really cute. And this, oh goodness, I wish that they had more of these. I would have definitely gotten more if they had them, but this was the only box, so at least I was able to get one box. But these are little half pearls, and they were originally $3.99, and they ended up being 99 cents. So I wish I could got more of these. The colors are so pretty and pastel, and look at that. I could have done so much with that, but like I said, at least I was able to grab one box of them. And $3.99 is not such a bad price that I couldn't just, if I had to pay full price. But $1, That's a better price. I was able to grab some rubber stamps. They had more of these stamps, but I just grabbed a few because I'm not a big paper crafter, so I didn't get too many of them, but I had to get a few of them. I had to get a few. So the first ones I'll start with are the little shapes that I got. I got this little avocado girl, and she was 87 cents. And look how cute she is. You see her little eyelashes? Really, really cute. So I grabbed her, and I got this rainbow, and this was 87 cents as well. And they were originally $3.49. And I got these. This is what the other side looks like. And I just got these for my planner. When I do I do decorative planning, and so I'll use these in my planner spread. And if I don't you end up using them, I'll probably just put them in a giveaway or give them to a crafty friend. So, you know, it won't be a loss. The next stamps are ones with sentiments on there, and let me see. Oops. So this one says, I'm trying to see what it says because I kind of forgot, y'all. Like I said, this stuff has been kind of packed away. This says congratulations, and I got it for 62 cents, and it was originally $2.49. And now these I got the little sentiments because sometimes I do buy a pack of cards and they're blank, so I could, you know, just stamp in what, like, congratulations. If I need a congratulations card, it could be that. And, you know, it's way prettier than my handwriting because my handwriting is terrible. So I thought this was really pretty and written really pretty. So I got this one. And the next one I have is thank you so much. And this one is 69 cents. And it was originally $2.79. So that's what that looks like on the end. So I think this will come in handy too. And also I like these because if I do I hope I can get back into crafty swaps and crafty challenges. I miss those. Hopefully I'll be able to get back into some of those. But and this is one with deepest sympathy. And this was 99 cents, and it was originally $3.99. So not bad prices. So next I have a paper banner, and it's from the Paper Studio. It was originally $4.99, and I got it for $1.24. And this was the only kind they had, and it's white, so that's fine because I can paint it any color I want it to be. But I have bought these before, and I really love them because they add such a cute touch to things that you can even put little, if you have alpha stickers, like little letter stickers you can put on here, or if your handwriting is neat, you can write on here like a letter, so you can end up spelling out happy birthday. You can do something seasonally like hello winter. So these really add a cute. They only had one of these too because I would have gotten more of these because these are just good to have in your little crafting arsenal. So next I have some clear stamps, and these are my favorite kind of stamp, and I guess because it's just easier for me to use than the rubber stamps, but I like using these in my planner, and maybe I may need them in a card or something like that. But I got this one, and this is a birthday themed one, and I can't remember the original price, and the sticker is gone, so I can't tell you how much not the original price, the clearance price. It probably wasn't too expensive, between probably $2 or something like that, $2 and some change. And it just says age is just a number, and it has just the numbers, candles, happy birthday. So I think this would be cute in my planner. I don't know why, but I get so excited. Like I'm doing my little happy crafty dance, and I'm just excited to be able to get back to crafting. If you are a crafter and you've had to move and you weren't able to get to your crafting supplies, isn't that just like kind of like a worse feeling? Like moving is like yay, but also, you know, sometimes you just miss crafting. So the next stamp I have was on clearance for $2.62, and it was originally, it says $10.49. I fell in love with these little houses on here. If you can see, like these little houses. I like the heart with the flowers, but I really love the little houses. And I cannot wait to do a spread in my planner with these cute little houses. Next, I have this one, and it was $1.24 and originally $4.99. And it's just fun little rainbows, happy shapes, hearts, and stars, moon, rainbow. It does say cute little things like sending sunshine your way, hello friend. That's cute too, in the little cloud. But I'm gonna use these cute little rainbows to do Another spread in my planner. I like to use stamps like this to do a lot, but to mainly do like the tracker pages. Like when I track something, like for example, if I said, oh, I want to start walking for 20 minutes a day, then I would just make, you know, a cute little planner spread page. And every time I do that, I would just color in like one of the shapes. So if I do the rainbows, then I would color in a rainbow. So that lets me know like how many days in that month I did that thing. That's what I like to do with these clear stamps for my planner. But that's just that, and I thought it was cute. And this is the last item in this haul, and this is the last, well, not this haul, in this video. I'm going to post more in this haul because I have so much, like I said, that I got. I didn't want the videos to get too long, so just keep a lookout. So if you're not subscribed, but you want to see what else I got, don't forget to subscribe or just come back and see what else I got. But this is the last one, and she sold me. She is so cute. This was $3.24, originally $12.99. And when I saw her, I was like, I don't even care what this says. I love how she looks. She looks so fun. And the little flowers are cute too. And I just can't wait to stamp her, color her flowers. But the words are nice too. It says gorgeous, fabulous, beautiful. Hey, bestie, I miss your face. That's funny. I miss your face. I think this says you don't look a day over fabulous and happy birthday. I like these sentiments. I really like this. That is the end of this Hobby Lobby clearance video. I really hope you enjoyed it, because you know what I'm gonna say. I really enjoyed grabbing it. So I hope you I enjoyed shopping for it. I don't know why I always have to say that. So with that said, I will see y'all next time. Bye.